Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today I'm going to do the RS 8.0 system. If you have looked on my YouTube short video, then that RS 8 you are looking is this set. But I noticed like on the side over here, both side, I'm using the 3mm carbon plate, but I noticed this carbon plate is kind of a discontinued, which means it's hard to get. So I'm using the other 3mm plate, which means this one, and to make the RS 8.0 systems. So that will make people easier to find the parts to make this system if you would like to try this. Okay, so let's start today's video. Ready? Go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so this is today's RS 8.0 tutorial video, and if you have any question about this system, just leave your comment below and I will reply to you as soon as I can. And also for the next video, I will show you some test run video about this car, and also there's some small details and some tips, something I did. And so far I don't see anybody else is doing it, so I would like to share that tips with you. Hopefully it can help you in your future race. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Okay, I will see you in next video. Bye.